Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you 5 settings every gamer should tweak. So for the start, let's go to settings, search for mouse settings, and then go to additional mouse options, go to pointer options, and then disable this enhance pointer precision and hit apply, hit OK. Then type gaming and select game mode settings and make sure to turn on the game mode for better optimization and better frame rates. Then type graphics and go to graphics settings and turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. You will need to restart your PC to apply these changes. Then we're going to search for power plan and power and sleep settings. Then go to additional power settings and make sure you select the high performance mode to get the best performance of your PC. Okay, then the last thing we need to search for display and then go to bottom and select advanced display settings, and here make sure you select the maximum refresh rate available for your display. Okay guys, this is it. I hope this guide will help you to increase your gaming performance. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.